Hi and welcome. Today we're going to talk a bit about the QCY headphones. This is the H3 Pro, high resolution audio, don't know why, on wireless and cable, LDAC support, Bluetooth, noise cancelling headphones. Be creative, go beyond. And let's see what it says in here. Bluetooth, spatial sound, 50 decibels adaptive ANC, gaming mode, stereo power amplifier chip, 55 hours battery life, wired ANC, multi-point connection, 40mm T-plating super magnetic driver unit. So yeah, when it comes in this, and then you also get the USB A to C for charging, and this kind of golden plated are like the headphones jack. So it's not there because I've been using them. So you see you have adjustable slider on the band. What else? Folding bracket, feed forward microphone, MFB, LED, volume rocker, 3.5 for the headphones jack, USB-C port for charging ANC button, and that's what you get. You can pair it with two devices, has a sports multi-point connection. So connect the headphones to device A, then turn the Bluetooth off and you will auto turn connectable, and then yeah, turn on the device on Bluetooth A and connect it to the headphones. So that's how you do it. You can factory reset it by pressing and hold at the same time volume up and down, and then you'll see the LED blinking 3 times red. Yeah, so it's already connected with my phone. Let's have a quick look around. So it doesn't have much branding on it, only this kind of the name of it's quite nice and comfortable. Nice padding on the top. Movement, which is quite important. Most of these cheaper headphones don't have that. They rotate flat up to here. That's where the microphones are. LED, power, volume up and down, headphone jack, USB-C, another microphone in there, and I think in there it's actually could be that just gimmicks, and that's the microphone itself. Then another one in there. The inside actually has something in there, and then the speaker, same on this side, and it's really good. That's memory foam right there. Look, if your headphones don't do that, that means it's not memory foam. That's how it should be. So really good. They expand, metal inside, and good quality. Fairly light, not really light, so you can understand that it's actually a good quality headphones. I'm actually thinking there's padding in there as well a bit. So yeah, they're already paired with my phone. Just listen when I press the power button how they sound. There's a voice.
Power on.
I think it just says connected, but so then volume, you will see it controls the volume on my phone. Yeah. Not sure why he's doing that. If you go through the ANC modes, you can hear a voice again.
Ambient sound mode. ANC on. ANC off. Ambient sound mode. ANC on.
So I have with ANC, it's blocking very well noises like fans. I have a dehumidifier in the room which is quite noisy and I can't hear it, especially when you start playing music. I took them on the underground and that's quite noisy as well. And with music, you will hear exactly the same as you do with more expensive headphones. So they do block noise, yeah, 100%. They won't be as good as probably Sony headphones, the more expensive ones like XM5s and stuff like that, but they are quite close. Yeah, I'm actually surprised. ANC that actually works. It's not gimmicks. Yeah, what else I wanted to show you? I also like obviously that is left right. Um, they look really nice, and I just want to play something. Okay, so we'll play this song a bit just to get an idea. So we'll just turn it to the maximum. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink. I can't tell if I'm waiting glee. I want to taste consumption. Okay, yeah, so they do sound really well, as you could tell. Not much to complain about that. Noise cancelling works. I'll show you a bit the app. So let me just quickly open it. You will need this. You don't really need to create an account, but I did create an account. I think it was useful. So the app is like this. So when you're into your headphones, immediately it will pick them up. So you can just click more settings, and then it will show you the bases earbuds. Should be headphones. 100% battery, and then let me just see. If you go in the sound, that's what you have. Initially it was with LDAC on, and I didn't like how they sound, you know. You can even do the balance. If you have a problem you can't hear very well with one ear, you can just change it from there. But somewhere in here it was an option about the, let me just quickly see where it was. Yeah, so LDAC switch, yeah. So I've just disabled that because I didn't like how it sounded with LDAC. And it sounds much better. Gaming mode, fine headset, so you can do that. Beep volume, timing, power off, you can do that. Disconnect and power off after 5 minutes. Dual device connection, firmware update, more settings. You can reset it from the app and all that kind of stuff. Device info. But yeah, the fine headset, it actually works. You can see it plays a sound, so that's quite cool. Yeah, so for such an inexpensive device, it has quite a few features. Some are confusing because it says touch, and I don't think it has any touch. I couldn't find the touch anyway. Under the sound, I prefer it is default. Spatial sound effects, and I'm not impressed with it, but then default sounds amazing, and you can even do your own customization. It has a EQ. Noise cancelling, you can have it on adaptive. I keep it on noisy. Transparency mode is not the best you can hear. around you, but you get a feeling that you can hear more through one ear or something like that. But yeah, it's not great, the transparency mode, but it works. It's enough to have a conversation with someone. And yeah, noise cancelling, it actually works, and I really like it. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I would say a really good pair of headphones. If you're on a budget and you don't want to spend exaggerating amount of money, they've done it. They really done it. So yeah, well done.